Hey guys, it's Rian, and today I have partnered up with bareMinerals, and I am going to be showing you guys a little demo of their matte loose powder foundation. So I'm just going to be kind of applying it for you guys and showing you what it looks like on. So this is what the foundation looks like, and I am in the shade Light Beige. I'm going to be applying this today with the bareMinerals Beautiful Finish brush. When you're applying any loose powder foundation from bareMinerals, you can use their swirl, tap, and buff technique. First thing that you'll do in order to start applying is you just put a little bit of the foundation in the cap and then you start swirling. I do this for about 15 to 20 seconds. So once you're done with that, you're just gonna tap off the excess on the side of the cap, and then it's time to buff. So I like to do this in little circular motions all around. What's so unique about this foundation is that it's designed to be buildable. So you kind of just continue with the swirling, buffing, and tapping until you get the desired coverage that you want. This gives a super matte, natural finish, and I have oily skin, and so this really helps with oil control for me, and it also really minimizes the appearance of my pores, which I am so thankful for. I just love that it lasts all day and that it feels so weightless on my skin. It has a non-chemical SPF of 15, so yeah, I highly recommend this foundation. It comes in 30 shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys!